Hi, today we're going to be talking about a very simple way to earn some money online. Through this way, you can literally make some dollars in your free time. You even don't need any expertise or knowledge about anything. So before coming to the explanation, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are updated every time I upload a new money making video. Thank you. So, to make some dollars in your free time, you can do some surveys that pay you for completing them. Now, these surveys take some time, and that is the reason why you get paid. You can even earn more than $5 per survey, and an average survey takes up to 20 minutes. So, if you're free and want to use your time in a productive way, you can fill up a survey to earn some extra cash. Now, you don't even need to find those surveys because I have placed the links of the best surveys with the highest payout in the description of this video below. So if you're free right now and can fill a survey, maybe you can earn a couple of dollars. That's all for today. Thank you.